Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to add your social media account on Cara art and social application. So what you need to do, you need to tap here right bottom corner on your screen. It's called a profile icon, and then tap on the edit profile, then scroll down. So basically website, so you can add any link here. For example, if you want to add your Instagram account, then type like www, or you can copy your Instagram user link like instagram.com slash your username. So then you can tap on the save button. So it's loading now. So you can see it's perfectly add your Instagram account on this account. If someone click on your Instagram account like this link, then they will go to your Instagram account or other social media. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.